guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a clean with me. My apartment is a mess. I have not like pre-picked up anything because sometimes I do that because I'm just like, can't put this on the internet. But today I haven't done that. You're gonna see a real raw like mess. It's a mess. So I'm gonna take you guys around and show you this mess, and then we're gonna get into cleaning it because it is Friday and I just like to clean on Fridays so we can go into the weekend like, hey, got a clean apartment. So if you guys like Clean With Me's, make sure you click that subscribe button because I'm planning on doing one every single week. Who am I? Who is she? I don't know, but make sure that you subscribe if you guys are into cleaning videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you like them. And if you want to see them like first, as soon as they upload, click the bell notification because YouTube will email you. It's so awesome. It's my favorite. It's my favorite feature. We're gonna stop talking and we're gonna get into this Clean With Me. Don't be fooled. My bed is only made because I was filming. My dirty clothes from this morning, a random water bottle. What is my life this week? Okay guys, so we are gonna start cleaning this messy apartment. I figured this video would be the perfect opportunity for me to share some of my tips for how I make cleaning not as terrible. So starting off with tip number one is to start with an area that's not as much of a disaster, because I find for me, when I look at like places that are really, really messy, I just get so overwhelmed and I'm just like, I can't even start. But if you start with an area that's not as bad, then it's a little bit easier. And once you've done that, you feel like you've accomplished something, you've checked something off your list, and you can move on to the next thing and just feel like you've accomplished something and feel motivated. Like you can do the rest of it. You can do this because you finished like that one whole room or that one whole area. So that is my first tip, is just to pick like the lesser of two evils, I guess, and like the less messy area first, and then work your way up to that horrible, horrible mess. So this is actually a tip for myself. Rachel, fold your laundry. Like, what are you doing with your life? So all that laundry is clean. It just has been scattered through laundry baskets. We really need to fold our laundry and put it away. But that's just too much adulting for today. So, but I did want to let you guys know that that is actually clean laundry. And one day I'm gonna fold it all and get it all back in order. One day. So tip number two is to use like a room spray or a candle whenever you finished an area, because that just like helps you know like, okay, I finished this area, now it smells good, everything's fresh and just clean. So it makes me feel really happy. I'm sure it makes other people feel really happy, and it's just a great way for you to let yourself know like, hey, this room is done. You guys, but I have a million cables coming out of the TV. That is all thanks to James. He really loves playing video games. We have like every video game console like known to mankind, I'm pretty sure. And that's not even all of them. Those are just the ones that are plugged into the TV right now. But I didn't know what to do with all these cables, so I just kind of like set them up there. So that's a helpful tip. If you don't know where something goes and it belongs to your significant other, your roommate, whoever, just kind of like set it aside and have them deal with it when they get home. Another great tip that has really helped me enjoy cleaning is to buy cleaning supplies that you really, really like. It's kind of like how people tell you if you want to enjoy working out, buy cute workout clothes and feel good about yourself. Kind of like the same idea, but buy cleaning products that you really enjoy, like whether they smell really nice or the packaging just looks nice and makes you happy. This has really, really changed how I clean, and my feelings towards cleaning is that I started getting products that I really, really liked. So I purchased all of my cleaning supplies from The Grove. I'm not sponsored. I've never been sponsored by them. I just actually really, really love their site. I love the products that they carry. I love that I can get it delivered straight to my door. I don't have to go anywhere for that. And like I said, I just really, really like their products. So I try to pick out things that I like, the way they smell, or, you know, I just really like those products. And one thing that has really, really helped me is I've started getting like non-toxic cleaners. And I never noticed before when I would clean that like I would get a horrible headache and like I didn't feel well afterwards. And it was because of the cleaners that I was using. They would just give me such a bad headache. And when I started to switch over to like products that I find on The Grove, I noticed like I don't have that problem anymore. Like I don't feel bad after cleaning because everything that I'm using is like good, you know, it's good products. It's not like got a bunch of nasty chemicals and stuff. I mean, I'm sure some of these things still aren't the greatest, but like overall, I've noticed such a huge difference in just how I feel after cleaning from switching to more natural like products, less like non-toxic kind of, or less toxic, more non-toxic kind of products, if that makes sense. So that's definitely a tip that I have for you guys. Not to go non-toxic, but to find cleaners that you like or that don't make you feel sick afterwards is definitely a big one for me, and it has been a game changer in how I feel towards cleaning.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive.
I personally am a huge list maker. So one thing that I really like to do is I like to write out everything that I'm cleaning, so make a to clean list. And then once I've cleaned up that area or whatever on my list, I cross it off. This just helps me because I'm a very visual person. So I like to look at my list and be like, look at how much I accomplished. And then also look at the room and be like, look at how clean it is. I think it just helps not just going off of like, oh, look how clean this room is, or just going off of a checklist, but going off of both of them. I feel like I just feel so much more accomplished when I can see it crossed off on my list, but I can also see it like everything clean. But like I need both of them, if that makes sense, because I'm definitely a visual person. But this just makes me feel so accomplished because I can look at my checklist and be like, look, I like did 10 things on my checklist, and look at how amazing the apartment looks also, you know? It just makes you feel good about yourself when you cross stuff off of your list.
I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you for so long. I met you in the
Something that really, really helps me is to listen to music and jam out. As you can see throughout this video, I am like dancing, acting really silly, but honestly, like it helps me so much to just clean and get stuff done because I'm having fun at the same time. And I also feel like I'm getting a little bit of a workout because like I'm dancing and I'm cleaning. So it's like a 2-for-1 special, you know? But that is something that I really, really love to do. Let me know in the comments below what your current favorite song is. Mine right now is the song High Hopes by Panic at the Disco. Like I have been jamming to that so much. So I think that that's my current favorite song right now. Like it's just such a good dancey song. I don't know. The other thing that I like to do is I will listen to podcasts or I will put on a YouTube video and listen to that. Just whatever I can do to like keep myself entertained. Sometimes I like call people and talk to them while I'm cleaning. I don't know. It's just something that I do and I feel like it really, really helps kind of speed things along and keep me entertained, but yet I'm still cleaning and getting stuff done. So that's something that I recommend, is just to set a good playlist and jam out, have fun. Basically just have fun with your cleaning, okay? Don't take it too seriously and just have fun. All right, my final tip for you guys is to watch some Clean With Me videos, which I'm guessing if you're watching this video, obviously you're already doing that. So I love to watch Clean With Me videos when I'm struggling to find motivation. There's something so motivating about seeing someone else's mess and seeing like how they transform their apartment or house and like seeing the after. It's just so motivating that once I watch it, I'm just like, I want to go clean. I want my apartment to look beautiful and spotless. And so I find them really, really motivating. I think a lot of people do, and that's why they do well here on YouTube, because people want that cleaning motivation. So that is my last tip. Check out some Clean With Me videos if you are struggling to find your motivation to clean. Okay guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's Clean With Me. I know I didn't get to every room in the house. There's a couple places I still need to clean. I'm gonna do a whole separate Clean With Me for my office, but I just didn't get to it, and James is coming home in just a few minutes and I need to start on dinner, and we're going to a movie tonight, so I just like couldn't finish everything. But I'm very happy with what I did get accomplished today. It looks so much better than it did, and I'm just so happy about that because it looked like a hot mess. So I feel like this was a win, you know? So if you guys enjoyed this Clean With Me video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification if you guys like Clean With Me videos and you want to see more. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Rock